This section is on simple interest. The amount of money that you deposit initially into a bank is called the principal. Or sometimes it's called the present value. And it's represented with the letter P. And the bank pays you interest, which is represented with the letter I. Now, when you take out a loan, you pay interest on the amount you borrow, and that's also called the principal. In either case, the interest is computed as a certain percent of the principal, called the rate of interest, which is represented with the letter R. So we have two simple interest formulas here. We have I is equal to PRT, or the interest is equal to the principal times the rate times the time. And specifically, the rate needs to be expressed as a decimal, and the time needs to be in years. And then we have A is equal to P times 1 plus RT, and A is the future value of the account. Okay, looking at number 1, it says find I, and they tell us that P is equal to 260, R is equal to 4%, and T is equal to 3 years. So I'm going to use this top formula, and I is equal to 260 times 0.04, which is 4% as a decimal, times 3. And I get $31.20.